Hey guys, this is Avi from AV Products, and today we are going to review the 6 cool products you can get from Aliexpress. So let's get started. On the number 6, we have the USB phone emergency charger. If you are camping or hiking somewhere, you don't have the link to power, you can charge this with the emergency charger. Any phone, if you are iPhone user or maybe Android user, works for both. So it's pretty cool and also cheap, $2 or $3. Okay, so now we are moving to the number 5. This is a spotting scope you can get here if you like bird watching or anything for purpose you are using that. It's a really good scope. I have been using this scope for 5 or 6 months. It's a very clear and sharp image, also very easy to use, and you can also put your phone and record the video. You can buy the mount for the your phone separated at Aliexpress, and it's a very cool product to go for. Okay, so now we are going to the number 4. Yeah, this is a multifunction baby and adult digital thermometer, which is very useful. You must have, these are the items you must have in your house, because they could be in handy anytime. Yeah, it's pretty good with good reviews. The seller is also very good with the positive rating of 98%. uh, yeah, you should go for that item. So now we are moving to the fourth item, third item. Fourth item, sorry. This is the Siri lens, which is a 60 mm portable phone camera lens. You can use this on your iPhone or Android. It's just a clip on. You can clip the lens onto your phone. This zooms the photo without losing any result. Most of the time when you zoom any while taking the picture, you zoom your phone, it destroys the image quality, so you are not going to face that with this lens. So it's pretty good. You can see the difference, and it's also looking nice. Now we are going to the fifth product, which is a drone with camera and without camera. This is a very cool and foldable drone you can get, and also cheap. The price you can see is the $14.39 is for the drone without camera, and 27 is for the drone with the camera. uh, so that's a good product to go. Also the rating is pretty good. You can see the 4.5, 4700 orders. So if these many people are giving the good reviews, so it's a good product to go for. Now we're going to the last product and the final product of this video, which is the track roller skate cycle type. So it's really cool product to buy, and I really like that. You can see it's easy to maneuver and use. Also it looks cool. At the first time you maybe struggle, but later on it's really fun to have that. So that's it guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be getting you more cool items for you. And all the items I have shown, each I have the link in the description, so you don't have to worry about finding it on Aliexpress. You can just go and directly buy that through that link. And also just stay away from the scammers. Most people have the new sellers, those who are just open in few months, they are selling the same product in less price, but actually they are doing it, they are scamming the people. So just don't fall for that. Go for the good positive feedback, and these are the good sellers I got you. so you don't have to worry about any scam here. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Sure.